Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari reaction. How are you guys doing today? So I'm back again guys with another reaction video to the group BGYO. And this is them performing their song The Light, which I love, on Wish 107.5 bus. So I'm curious to see what these guys will be giving me. Show me their vocals.
Let's go. Just need to follow the light. You know how it is. BGYO. Okay. You own this world that we're living. So much trouble that's surrounding us. Hate, jealousy, crime, and violence. No, we don't need the more, no way. Try to make it all better. I wanna make this world a safer place. First I gotta make sure I work hard enough so I can be the change.
The beat is kind of outpowering their voice. Oh, he's cute.
Hey, follow the bright light.
Beat is just a little bit too loud.
Hey, better listen now, I'ma keep it till the count of three. We can stop all of the hate, feel how the key. Let's take this higher. You can't see me looking up, another level. I'm always on my grind and trying to make it better. This is my place to shine, they call me a trendsetter. Time for me to take a stand, keep on running to the end. Don't look back, don't be afraid, I'll be that start line. Mapit ka lamang at wag na huwag kang bibitaw. Sa hamon ng buhay, paniniwala mo ang ikaw. Hey, follow the bright light. Only one life, let's live in the moment. Kinabukasan, ating ilaban. Follow the bright light. Ating pangako, hindi magbabagong patungo sa ating kapayapaan. Sa gitna ng dilim, ang ilaw ay susundan. Ang bituin na kaya nating abutin. One life is all we got. Go higher. Papatunayan.
Actually, they sound really good live. They really did. They sound really good live. Only thing about this one is the beat outpowered voice, so that's my only concern. But they sound really good live. Really good job, BGYO. These some very sexy looking guys too. So I'm curious. I need to watch some more live performances from them. I did react to I think 1 or 2 videos and got blocked on YouTube. I need to find a way around this. This content is well protected, so I just see around that. But that was BGYO. I want to say thanks to everyone who recommended me to this group. I really do appreciate it. Whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below.